Hello. Um, Hello. So today I want to kind of teach you how to use ChatGPT to um, get scholarships and fellowships easily. And I'm gonna be doing a practical you know, showing today. So just follow me. It's gonna be step by step, so it's gonna be easy for you. So the first thing you want, I'm using the pro version of ChatGPT, and this is the latest version of ChatGPT. So you can, try it out. It's brilliant. It's, doing great work for me. And yeah, I totally recommend it. It's only $20 and $22 per month plus tax. So yeah, totally recommend it. So I'm not advertising ChatGPT, but it's perfect. So let's get at it. The thing you want to do is that I wrote my CV myself, and then I did it very holistically, kind of put everything inside my CV. So it's a 4-page CV. And then what you want to do is to click this one here, and then upload your CV to this. That's what I did first, and you can see my CV here. And then I gave a prompt to can you provide an holistic review of my CV? And then that's the first thing you want to do. So it's kind of gave it the strength, and then areas for improvement, and so what you can do to improve my CV. So the next thing you want to do is that if your CV is not, my CV is satisfactory to me, so I'm not doing anything differently. So if your CV is not good enough based on ChatGPT's recommendation, if you like the recommendation, you can do it again and then, ask it to review it again. Then the next thing you want to do. So I said, thanks, based on my CV, can you recommend any scholarships I can apply for? So ChatGPT has seen my CV and then can now recommend scholarships for me. So it gave me, based on CV, I have several scholarships, based on my background in civil engineering, construction management, and sustainability. So these are the scholarships I can apply for, blah, blah, blah. So it's pretty easy. And then the next thing is I'm not satisfied. So I asked it to filter out the ones that are women only. So I'm telling that I'm male, and also filter out the ones that international students do not qualify to apply. So I'm an international student, so I'm asking ChatGPT to kind of remove the ones that it's only for women, and also that international student cannot, does not qualify to apply. So it kind of made a filter, a new recommendation, so I don't have to start clicking on links and tells me I'm not eligible. So I kind of use ChatGPT to do that. So if you're maybe an international student, you're not an international student, you kind of ask ChatGPT to filter the ones that, international as exclusive to international students. So that's what you want to do. So the next thing you want to, so I can easily look at these and see the ones that I want to, apply for. So, and then it's a kind of, you can ask it to kind of give you, recommendations based on, what you should do if you want to apply for the scholarships and all those stuff. So it's pretty easy to, find scholarships. You don't need to, sweat over, doing Google search and all that. ChatGPT can do all that for you. So the first thing I did was I like this one. It's kind of gonna pay for my dissertation at that stage. So um um yeah, so I'm just gonna click that and for it on Google. So this is their home page right here. And I'm just gonna read about it. It's committed to supporting the research training for doctoral students. So if you're a PhD student, you wanna look at this. Um, so So this how much they are giving, $27,500, and that's wow. So that's brilliant. So you want to make sure you're eligible before you start wasting your time in applying for it. Don't look at just the price. So potential for bringing fresh and productive perspective to history, theory, analysis, or practice of formal or informal education anywhere involved. So the deadline of the competition is 4th every year. So I'm eligible to apply to this one. So I can click it and apply to it. So you can ask ChatGPT to kind of filter by, um, the deadline, so you don't waste your time in looking at, the ones that doesn't have that have very limited deadline. So it's easy. ChatGPT can do all those for you. So I don't want to bore you with these, and then the first thing you want eligibility, deadline, eligibility. Those are the most important things. So you don't need to be citizen of the United States. That's great. However, you must be candidate for doctorate degree at graduate institution US. So this one is exclusive for people in the United States. So it's not intended to, data collection or completion, but support the final analysis of the research topic and writing of dissertation. So for this, the applicant must confirm via an application that they have completed all three dissertation required by 1st of June 2024 and must provide a clear and specific plan for, completing the dissertation in 1 or 2 years time. So that's it. If you have any question, comment section, and then I'll be glad to help you. And I'm going to be telling you a lot of things that ChatGPT can do. I'm going to be making more videos. Watch my other videos, like, subscribe, and comment. So I'll be happy to, get feedbacks from you. And if you have any problem, you can always ask me questions. All right, bye. See you around next time.